Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our channel with another video. In this video I'm going to tell you how you guys can manage your disk setting, how you guys can create, delete, shrink, expand or do anything that you want with your disk settings. So now I am going to tell you two methods, one with a third party application, you can see here AOMEI Partition Assistant, and one without a third-party application with your Windows Disk Management setup. So first of all, with the Windows Disk Management setup, for that you need to go to this PC, then you will click on Manage, then you will see all these options and you will find this Disk Management here. It may take a bit longer to open because it's collecting all the data, all the disks that are connected, all the drives that are connected to your PC, USB drives, hard disks, SSD, everything that is connected to your PC. It's collecting information, so we need to wait. So guys, now our disk management is open and you can see all the drives that are connected to my PC are here. You can see disk 0, which is SSD 30 GB, disk 1, which is a HDD about 500 GB, and not 500, 465 GB total present here. So I have disk 2, which is basically a USB 28 GB. So we can edit settings, everything that we want. Windows default disk management, we have limited options. So you can see that I have 1 GB unallocated disk, but I cannot extend this volume. I cannot add this 1 GB to this local disk. That's why I prefer the second method with a third party application, which is very easy. You can easily do this. I cannot either extend this volume, neither this volume. I don't know why, but if you want to decrease this volume, or you can add a new volume, you can create a new simple volume from this. Next, 1023 in MB, then I can assign any letter to this, then I will click next, and here you can see that we have file system FAT32 NTFS, normally used NTFS disk settings. So formatting, and now it's created. You can see we have new volume G. So that's the method 1. Then with this AOMEI Partition Assistant, I will drop a link in the description where you can download this cracked version plus key. So you don't need to activate this, it's already cracked version. I will drop a link in the description. Okay, I installed this Partition Assistant. Now I will open it. So now you can see again all the disks are present here. You can do all these process to these. So I created G there. So if I click on G, you can see more options: resize, move, allocate, free space. All these simple options are there. You can delete this partition. So if I want to delete this partition, I can do this, delete quickly, and done, it's deleted. Then you need to apply. It's not done yet because I'm going to allocate more space to this. I'm going to merge this 1 GB with this F drive, so I need to click on allocate free space, no, sorry, I need to right click on this and I need to click on merge partition F and unallocated. You can merge EI also with this F drive. You can merge all the drives. The Z disk is hidden from here because it's a BitLocker encoded, so you cannot do this before removing the BitLocker, of course. Then I will click on OK. Then we need to click on apply. You can see here we have two process. First of all, we had deleted the volume that are present here, and then we merge the volume with this F local disk. Then we will click on apply, and we can click on proceed. Do you want to start? Yes. And now it start. It will take some time to do this, and now congratulations, we have done this. And now I will show you that my F hard disk increased by 1 GB and the disk that I created is removed from here. And it is very simple to do this with software. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If you like this, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.